Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to zoom out the iPhone screen. First, you need to go to the settings. Here, tap on accessibility. After that, tap on zoom. Make sure to turn on the first toggle in order to allow zoom in or out on your screen. Now go back to your home screen. You just need to double tap 3 fingers to zoom. When you double tap them, it will give you different options. You just need to select zoom in. Similarly, you can zoom out your screen by again tapping with 3 fingers. Now select zoom out. So this is how you can zoom out or zoom in on the iPhone screen. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.